Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another air fryer cooking video where I'll be using my air fryer to make a garlic and herb whole roasted chicken. Stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using is a whole chicken. The chicken I have is 3 pounds. I'll clean it with lime vinegar as well as salt. I'll season the chicken with onion powder, roasted garlic powder, garlic and herb salt-free seasoning, ground cloves, ground pepper, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes, thyme as well as lime. Off camera, I cleaned the chicken by removing any of the excess fat as well as the skin. I rinsed it under cold water. I cleaned it with a mixture of lime, vinegar, as well as salt. I allow it to sit in that mixture for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing under cool water and patting it dry with a paper towel. I seasoned both sides of the chicken as well as the inside cavity and under the skin with lime, onion powder, roasted garlic powder, ground cloves, garlic and herb salt-free seasoning, cayenne pepper, parsley flakes, thyme, salt, as well as ground black pepper. I covered the bowl with saran wrap and I allowed the chicken to marinate in the fridge for 24 hours. Before cooking the chicken, I remove it from the fridge and place it on the counter to allow it to come to room temperature. On my air fryer, there's a preheat function, so I go ahead and I select that. It'll preheat for 5 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I place the whole chicken in the air fryer that comes with the basket. I have it breast side up. After placing the chicken in the air fryer basket, I will select the chicken option. This will cook the chicken on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 25 minutes. The 25 minutes will not be enough time to cook this 3-pound chicken. I will make adjustments after the 25 minutes is done. After 25 minutes, I'm going to remove the chicken and flip it over. Obviously, you can see it is not done cooking. I'm going to place it back in the air fryer using the same chicken option, which will cook on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. But this time I'm going to put it for 10 minutes and I'll check to see if the chicken is done cooking. Then if it's not, I'll add more minutes. I use a meat thermometer to check the doneness of the chicken. For chicken, it's supposed to be 165 degrees or above. Here's the finished product of the garlic and herb whole roasted chicken using the air fryer. Thank you for stopping by ATasteOfK here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.